Hello everybody, I told you I was gonna come back. Now, I am back with this lace glue. This is the same Argoat that defines your charming life. Nice. It's the lace glue, extreme firm hold, perspiration resistant, latex free, waterproof. Direction says what? Shake well before use. Apply 4 to 10 layers of glue on the scalp. Each layer should keep the same glue thickness as possible. Generally, 4 layers are enough. You can increase the amount if you want an ultra hold effect. And then, when each layer is dry, apply the next layer. That is, the glue becomes clear. When the glue becomes clear, of course, that's when it's dried. Usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, we'll see. When the last layer is applied, wait 5 to 10 minutes before pressing the hair system into place properly. Ingredient, water, and other stuff. So let's check this out, because guess what? Again, I'm growing my hair out since post baby, but then again, I was using Ghost Bond. And Ghost Bond is almost finished. So I'll go ahead and try this. Okay. Same consistency and thickness as the one I knew. My Ghost Bond has been with me for like 2 years, so of course it dried off. And I'm thinking, do I really want to bring up $30-something and go buy Erica gel or any other glue? Erica glue or something. I'm like, you know what, let me grow out my edges since I just had that baby. And yeah, the edge control has dried off a few hours later. Okay, now because I have this hair on, I'm going to try it on this wig. I've never had any glue on this wig, but because of the video, I'm going to try it on this wig. It's going to be a little messy, but I don't know, I feel like I want to glue the wig to my I wanted to try it on my hand. I thought I could find my lace, my edges, but I have to be somewhere right now, so I'm gonna have to just glue it somewhere. Hopefully, hopefully there won't be any super story. You know what? I'm wearing I'm wearing pink, so that should go. So I'll be applying it on my, normally when I'm doing, okay, so the next hair, I may probably do one of the, what do you call it? I'm going to actually do, I'm going to try to do, what do you call it again? An install, front out install, one of these days. And I'm going to be using it. So this is just a test. And of course, I hardly put products on my skin and all that stuff. So I'll test this out on my skin and see. And then a few minutes later, actually I'll do it now, and see if I react to it or anything, which I doubt. And then a few minutes later, I'll go ahead and start installing. Stay tuned. So I didn't react to it. Now, the thing here is, for full-blown install, I take my cotton board or cotton wool or, cotton board, put some alcohol in it, wipe, clean my scalp and all that stuff. But we're just doing testing products today, and I will not be putting all the layers. I'll just put 1 or 2 layers, or at least 1, just to show, to see how that goes. So where would be my pattern? Over there. Okay. And normally I'll spray got to be glue spray, holding spray, or whatever to put everything back. But today we're just testing this. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so at this point. Have that, and I have that one. So as usual, if I had the lace, the lace cap, I'll go zigzag, but I don't, so I'm just gonna do this. Very thin consistency, just to test this out. I will not be doing much. 1, 2. It's already clear. Good. Clearer than my ghost bond. My ghost bond will still be white somewhere. So now that's the first one. I'm only doing 2, like I said. And that 2 is already too much because I'm going to take it off right now also. So I'm not putting it too thick. So I'll wait about 5 minutes and then I'll see you guys shortly. Alright. About 5 to 6 minutes later, man, my ghost bond never dries up like this. Oh my goodness. No wonder. You guys are going to see the videos I'll post later. Later on I'm still editing them, all my hair videos since when I was pregnant. Oh my goodness. So I'm not putting the whole thing on. I look like Bigfoot's wife. Okay. Yes, just want to show you what it looks like. And I know this is just a rough video, but imagine you have somewhere to go and you just want to do it the way I did it. Except, of course, except your hair is all braided back. Actually, how about this? From far, can you see anything? Can you see anything from far? Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Make sure you check them out. This is what it looks like. Don't get the fake ones, if there are fake ones. That's what it looks like. That is what it looks like. Okay, now let's draw it. Look, can you see the lace? Minimal effort. Can you see any lace? Can you see anything? Nothing, because there are no lace quite alright, but look. Okay, so this, do not do this, guys, but I want to say I don't really care, but I do care about my hair. The fact is I wear wig always, except when I crochet. Don't do this. This is my taking off part. Oh. 2 layers. 2. Imagine what 4 can do. Let me put a little first. Voila. And let's see. It didn't take off any of my hair. It didn't take out anything. It didn't take out any of my hair. Of course, So if I wanted to just put it in for 2 days, that's what it's going to look like. Normally, I have my protective glue remover. That's what I'm supposed to spray to take it off or to take it out. In case you're wondering, that's what it looks like. Got it at the store, at the beauty store. That's the edge control, guys. Please check out the other video where I reviewed it. Alright, my fingerprints. You know how we do it. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for upcoming interesting videos and helpful videos. And I will see you. Have a blessed weekend. Remember, you are important, you are special, you are enough. You, my friend, you are enough. You, my king, you, my queens, you are enough. Thank you. Have a blessed day. See you. Bye.